It is February the 14th, 2014. We are now looking out across the rooftop of the new addition of the JGJ building. We poured our 2-inch topping slab on top of the hollow core planks about 2 days ago. We need to set our structural steel. Once the structural steel is set, we'll be able to move forward with the project. We are being held up currently by an issue with the structural steel where it is actually supposed to make its tie-in point to the existing building. Currently it appears that the beam pockets that we were supposed to make on this side are actually higher than the existing roof line. So we have got to develop an RFI on that. We've been trying to get out there to work on that, but we're not going to be able to get out there till Monday to bust open that brick and see what's on the other side of it. Tuesday of this week, we turned over the beauty salon to the owner. As you can see, they are now open and operational. The owner is very happy with the space. The owner had a 0 punch list for it, and they're tickled to death with the space. We are now in the basement of the JGJ building. We are done making our temporary connections for the generator. We will be removing this generator next week and replacing it with the new generator. These are the temporary feeds that come from outside the building for the temporary generator that's sitting out there. We are now at the ground level of the new addition. This is the physical therapy department when it's done. We've had our sheet metal workers here today putting up ductwork. As you can see, they sealed the ends of it like they should have. We've done a little pre-rocking to keep from getting cut off from doing our rocking by the sheet metal work. That's really all as far as we've done. We are looking to start doing the final rocking on Tuesday of next week. Plumbers have just a little bit more to do before we can rock, and we also have to get this water to stop up above us. All the snow melt is killing me. We just had this 6 or 8 inch snow that came through, and it's on top of my building trying to get off right now. But you can see we don't have it insulated. There's still some cast iron that has to be run, but just enough to get us out of the walls. We are now on the first floor of the east side building. We just replaced the ceiling grid in this area and are in the process of replacing the lighting. It looks like they're done with the lighting. And we are patching in some infills down their corridor walls as an extra to the owner. We're still on the first floor of the VGM building on the east side addition. And you can see we've got the new grid up in this area, but we are still in the process of putting up the permanent lighting. We still have some temp lighting hanging down the hallways. We are now on the second floor of the east side building. And we have stripped the vinyl wall covering off the existing walls, and we have started our skimming and rehab process. It has not been without its challenges. We've had a lot of problems with bubbling on the existing sheetrock. It's 40 years old. And we've had some issues with dust, trying to sand the walls and contain the dust. But this is our current status up here on the second floor. And the third floor is in the exact same condition. If you look down the hallway where the lady just turned the corner, you'll see that the walls have been stripped inside the Eastwood building in preparation for putting up the vinyl wall covering. We are now in the Eastwood building third floor, and the vinyl wall covering work has started here. It's almost finished, just a little bit left to go. Got our new vinyl wall coverings on the walls. Looking good. The installation went well. Just need to have all the cover plates and accessories that were on the walls put back on, and we'll just about be done.